In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll be covering exactly how to build a course with drip content and unlock schedules. If you want to make your course available over time to your students instead of all at once, this method is essential. Stay tuned, because we'll also reveal how to set things up quickly so you can have it done in no time. So let's get into it. Drip content is a great way to keep your students engaged by releasing content in stages, which builds anticipation and helps ensure they actually go through your material. First, pick a course platform that offers drip content options. Now, there are a lot of software solutions out there, but after trying the most popular ones, I found one that's easy to use, reliable, and works exactly how you need it. I'll share a link for an exclusive free trial in the description below, so if you want to follow along, you can try it out for yourself. Once you have the right software set up, you'll need to create your course structure. Organize your course into modules or lessons. This is where you'll start thinking about the content you want to release over time. Break down your lessons into manageable chunks and keep your content engaging so your students stay hooked. Now, depending on your course platform, there should be an option to configure the drip schedule. Here's the key part. You can unlock content based on time intervals. For example, you might release a new module every week or after the student completes the previous one. You can also control this by setting specific dates for when each module becomes available. Once you've set your desired schedule, the software will automatically release the content for your students. One important thing to keep in mind is that drip content can help with retention. Since students can't access everything all at once, they'll stick around longer, looking forward to the next module. It creates a sense of progress and excitement. Before I wrap up, don't forget about that exclusive free trial link in the description. I highly recommend you take advantage of it if you want to build a course with drip content and unlock schedules like a pro. So let's quickly go over the main points. First, pick a platform that supports drip content. Next, organize your course into manageable lessons or modules. Then, use the software to set up a drip schedule based on time intervals or completion. And finally, remember that drip content increases engagement and retention. The key takeaway here is that by unlocking content over time, you create an experience that keeps your students engaged and excited to continue. If you're ready to set this up for yourself, check out the link for the free trial below and start building your course today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.